was closed as it is not getting started. So that entire production is booked as a loss, and ultimately it is hampering company. But definitely for shift engine, basically the guy who is handling maintenance, for him it is a really challenge, because when he come in the first shift, then मराठीमध्ये एक म्हण आहे बेन पाण्याची आपण करतो की that his senior management is always give him negative marking, that he is not capable to handle the third shift.
So why would you choose third shift?
Yes. After completing my 1 year in that particular company, I completed I think 7-8 months, and I started thinking I should also parallelly do something by my own. Because 2-3 of my friends was that time doing some businesses. They are senior people, those who are maybe 8-10 years older than me. So they are doing different business. So I started thinking, why can't I do some parallel business? Because this is the maybe I am getting opportunity of first, second, third shift. Maybe when I was doing first shift, I was returning home at 4 o'clock. When I was having second shift, I was home till maybe at 2:30 or 3 o'clock, waiting for bus to come. And in third shift, my experience was maybe I was doing third shift in 11 to 6:30, 7 o'clock. When I return home, maybe I am sleeping up to 1 o'clock, and again whole day till 11 o'clock is free. Then I thought, let's do something. So the first venture I thought to start with some trading activity. So I launched one small company called Easy Call Systems.
Anybody recalls that name? From Pune in 1997?
97. 96, 97.
96, 97. And how old were you then?
I was 24.
24. When most people fresh out of a college and into the jobs are trying to really accelerate their careers through the jobs, not what they're doing when they're not at the job. So why? I mean, what, you were not obviously meant to be a corporate employee for long.
Yeah, because first thing I was telling you, the maintenance job which I accepted, I thought I was not really fit for that job. हात काळे करणं हा पहिला पाड होता. Even though it is a challenge, I was doing that, but I thought ki instead of wasting so many hours, I should start something by the parallel. So if I can develop something, maybe I can think to leave the job. So Easy Call System was the first venture. If many people are aware, before mobile, pagers was very famous, 2-liner and 4-liner pagers. So I took the agency from Radicon pagers, so 2-liner, 4-liner pagers. Then cordless was very famous that time, Tata. I took also the sub dealership of Crompton EPBX systems. Xerox was also booming, Canon Xerox, Panasonic Xerox. So I got around 5-6 companies sub dealership that time. Ultimately, any distributor want the people who can sell in a maximum number. Ultimately, it is a commission job. So in that particular hours, 5-6 hours, whatever I was getting, so I started utilizing that time for door-to-door sale of pagers, even cordless phones. Some offices, office automation equipments are also going. Fax was getting famous, Xerox was a requirement. So it was the period I took office at Lakshmi Road also. I keep 2-3 employees with me, those who handle the actually sales call and service also. Because after sales service was very important, because EPBX system installation is simple, but to after problem when somebody started calling you, that is really irritating. So that aspect I thought I should take care. So normally I prefer third shift. I asked my management, so I can take care of third shift. So after I think 8th month, most of the time I was doing third shift. So many engineers try to skip from the third shift. I said I can handle third shift. So whole day I was getting. So 11 to 6:30 was my time. I was coming home, sleeping till maybe I'd say 11, 10:30, 11.
4 hours, 4.5 hours.
4.5 hours, and starting at say around 12 o'clock from house. So I was getting almost 8-9 hours to do all other activities for Easy Call Systems.
Great. I mean, like that reflects on the rest of your story also. I mean, you seem to have packed 2 lifetimes into 1 lifetime so far. But when you started the company Easy Call, there was a time when you decided to fold the company. Like, so, how did you know? I mean, there are a lot of us who, not just first-time entrepreneurs, at some point we folded companies. what was your sense? Because you grew it was doing well, but you decided to fold EasyCall at some point.
Because in Greaves, when I was a company trainee, I was getting some 6,000 odd rupees salary. And when I started my EasyCall system, maybe I started earning good money, because maybe that time that 4-liner pager was costing 18,000 rupees and I am getting 3,000 out of that. So it was a good profit margin, but that span was not a very long span, that sort of margin, because office automation market is getting saturated. Even the electronics automation market is going down so fast. So in the second year I got married. My wife, Dr. Josna, she entered in my life, and as I told you, I am not got very good percentage in 10th, 12th, but she got a 90% in 10th, 94% in 12th. She is a topper in university in MBBS. Her in specialization also, she excelled in the world medalist doctor. When we got married, my father-in-law was a commissioner custom, so I thought I am lucky to got that sort of proposal. The guy was failed in 10th, but what they actually asked is समोर तर मला असं वाटतं की त्यांनी फक्त नोकरी असती तर कदाचित त्यांनी माझं प्रपोजल केलं नसतं. But that was a dual impact, that as he seen ki most of the time I was in tie. I am doing some EasyCall system activity as my independent career, and I am also getting salary from my technical background. So how we then got married, and after marriage, say around one year around, so that EasyCall was continued that time, but the profit margin has reduced drastically. Even the recovery was a problem. In that span only I completed my materials management, PGDBM. She also studied and helped me out when I was busy in EasyCall and Greaves. A lot of effort done by Dr. Josna also. But that time I thought ki I should go in a big corporate career now, so that maybe after 10 years, that time I was 23, 24. I decided, okay, so next 8-10 years I discussed with her also ki better I should now search for a good job. And incidentally that time Ford along with Mahindra launched their first car in India, Mahindra Ford. The production was at the Nasik plant, and they are searching for spare part guys, those who can handle the spare part division. So I got the first job there as an assistant manager in Mahindra Ford. Big activity, because it's the all India distribution of spare parts all across India. 28 distributor was they appointed. If you heard the name of say Talera Ford, actually it come as a Ford, but that dealer has added Talera, then there is a Talera Ford. Then in Mumbai it is a Vasan, Vama. These are the dealers. They added now Vama Ford, Vasan Ford, like that. So they are all our customers that time. So it was the start of my logistics career in Mahindra Ford that time.
Which year was this?
It is in the year 97. 97 years.
About 17 years. And you've been running Avi Logistics, Avi Group for now 7 years.
Yes.
So you had a 10-year corporate career.
Yes, 10 to 12 years around.
And do you feel like you learned something from your EasyCall systems entrepreneurial career that you brought to the table?
Definitely. Because that time actually when I started the EasyCall system, that experience was amazing, because we are not a shopkeeper. I myself is visiting at the doorsteps of the big societies. Okay, so we are actually getting the test of customer, what they want, different experiences. Again, closing of doors, आम्हाला नाही पाहिजे, त्रास घेऊ नका, or maybe some very good experiences also. Please come, please sit. After showing brochure, okay, you can. He is referring to friend also. So that referral system, good and bad experiences. So that was a good learning to any businessman, because ultimately business is done with the customers only. So that was the start for EasyCall systems.
And you mean to say that the people skills that you developed and the ability to handle rejection, made you stronger to kind of,
Just go back when I entered in the Greaves, and I told you the story how the operators behave in the third shift and all. Actually, I I was the person who always tried to connect with the people, this or that way.